Hello friends, I'm back with another session of SQL nested queries questions. So there was an appreciation in the previous session for nested queries. Thank you all for that. And there was also a request to post some more questions on it. So we are here with GATE 2014 question. And we have two schemas in this and a nested query which seem to look like a complex one, but let's just simplify it for all of you. So let's see what the question says. The question says, consider the following relational schema. We have the first table as the employee table where emp id has been underlined. So it was basically in bold over there. So that means emp id is what? It is primary key for this table. And similarly in customer table we have customer id, custid, cust id as the primary key. Then it was further given as sales rep ID is a foreign key. This is a foreign key referring to emp ID over here. Okay, so what does a foreign key means? That means it contains subset of the values present over here, right? So it is referring over here. There may be repetition in this case, right? But there is no repetition over here. So it refers, so it cannot contain any extra value which is not present here. So this is a proper subset of this? Yes, this is a proper subset of this, and there may be repetition over here. So this is a foreign key referring to emp id of the employee relation. Assume that each employee makes a sale to at least one customer. So that means every emp id is linked with a customer id. There does not exist any employee which does not have any customer. Let's see what the query is. So it says, what does the following query return? What does the following query return? Let's see the query. It says select emp name from employee. Select emp name from employee. Select emp name from employee where not exists. And then there is an inner query where not exists this. So select those employee names for which this thing should not exist. Let's see the inner query first. It says select cust id from customer C where c.salesRep id, which was a foreign key, is equals to e equals to emp id and C rating is not equals to good, right? So whenever such a question comes, what do I say? Just solve the inner query first. So let's solve the inner query. What will this give us? This will give us the customer ID of those customers which are linked to some employee and they have a rating other than good. So they do not have a good rating, right? So this is the customer ID of all those customers which are linked to some employee and they do not have a good rating. Now it says that select emp name where this should not exist. That means you are selecting those employees which are not linked with such a customer, right? With such a customer means which does not have a good rating. So that means you are not selecting those employees. You are not selecting those employees which have at least one customer with a good rating, with a not good rating, right? You are not selecting those employee names. You are not displaying those employee names which are linked with at least one customer which has a not good rating. What does that mean now? It means you are displaying only those employee names which have all their customers with rating specified as good. So that's all for this particular query. I have jotted down what I just explained over here. So this is how I derive. I just keep on writing the facts. Like first, this displays what? This displays customer IDs of all the customers linked with employees having a rating other than good. Then outer query selects the employee names of the records other than these customer IDs, which implies linked with customer IDs having rating equals to good, right? Finally, it would print only the employee names who have no customer with rating not equal to good. That is having all customers with rating equals to good, which was the D part for this question. So that's all for this particular query. I'll see you all in the next session with some more gate questions. Till then, stay tuned and happy learning.